Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a new product from that company. I don't know if I'm going to pronounce it right, but UCINNOVATE LED boat light. These ones are underwater light. They are LED, of course. So let's open the box. By the way, this is a new product. There's some instruction and important information. Oh wow. Okay, so this is the LED light. Well protected. There's a plastic film on it. There's a foam pad that comes with it with double-sided tape. Long wire. Don't know if I have the length of this. Yeah, the cable is 2.9 meters, so 9.5 feet. So that's pretty long. It's good. Yeah, you can remove the cap. And, sorry for this. You can remove the protection film. Wow, they look really good. As you can see here, yeah, there's screws all around, and I think you have two coats of sealant, if I'm right. So the white around here on the top looks like sealant, or maybe it is a plastic part. Yeah, I would say it's sealant. And under, that's more sealant. They really do look well made. Yeah, they look solid. If I'm right, I think they have 83 or 84 LEDs, and this is pretty big. Look at my hand. They're about 7-inch long and probably about 2-inch wide, and they look good, really. What they are saying is you can mount them below the waterline 6 to 16 inches. Please don't mount the light below the waterline 36 inches. Of course, always use marine grade sealant when installing a through-hole light like this. And of course, don't forget to put a fuse to protect your LEDs. Okay, so just to give you an idea how bright they are, here we go.